I know if you're struggling to try to find a personal loan to help you get a business, or you're trying to find a loan to just get some bills paid, then this is going to help you, because I'm going to tell you about 3 different loans that you can get with bad credit. Now, the first loan that you can get with bad credit, it's a security, and you use your secured loans to actually build up or start rebuilding your credit. When you're trying to rebuild your credit with a secure loan, they're usually going to use your savings or your CD. The top 2 places that I would probably go if I'm trying to rebuild my credit for a secured loan that won't charge me a whole lot of money is Navy Federal Credit Union. They offer loans starting with their pledge loans as $250. Many people, they think they have to have multiple loans to help them build up their credit, but you don't. I would set 2. Especially if you're planning on getting more funding from them. Because Navy Federal is very popular working with people with bad credit. When you have a 550 to 580 credit score, it is still impossible for them to give you maybe $25,000 credit card. Navy Federal is definitely one of the ones you want to check out. The other one is Credit Union One. All right, now with Credit Union One, their secure loans start at $10, so if you're a person that's on a real tight budget and you're trying to rebuild your credit, but you don't have a lot of money, you're on Social Security benefits, VA benefits, or your own welfare, but you still want to build your credit, this credit union will work with you, and they have secured loans starting at only $10. So that's the first type of loan that you can get with bad credit. The second type of loan you can get with bad credit is Credit Builder. With your Credit Builder loans, it's similar to a secure loan. Sometimes they may be using a savings account. You have to open up a checking account. DCU Digital Credit Union offers Credit Builder loans up to $2,000 with no hard credit check, but you have to become a member with them. Another one is because you can get qualified for $1,000 on a Credit Builder loan. With most Credit Builder loans they won't give you the money, but with MoneyLion they'll give you a portion of the money. Now in their program they have a monthly fee of about $19. If you're trying to rebuild your credit, definitely MoneyLion and DCU would probably be my top 2 that I would go to. Let's talk about one more, and that's Ava. They can give you a $2,500 line of credit. They specialize in subscriptions, monthly subscription, and they give you a $2,500 line of credit. Now, this is to help you rebuild your credit. Those are the top 3. The next one, let's talk about car loans. With car loans, they're interesting because a lot of people don't know where to get a car loan, especially when you have bad credit. You have a bankruptcy, so you're trying to figure out who would actually give me a loan. If I have bad credit, well, if you actually own your car, and you have a little equity in the car, check out Nova Finance. With the Nova Finance, as long as you don't have a lien on the car, they'll give you a car equity line of credit. Also, Auto Credit Express, and they'll work with you as long as you have a monthly income of at least $1,500 a month. So if you have at least $1,500 a month income, then this may be an option for you as well. Definitely one of the ones you want to look at.